Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this elegant apartment for sale in Florence. Check it out!
Today, we are in the center of Florence, on the Oltrarno area. The property that we're about to see is in a wonderful area, full of all the possible comforts one could need, and not far from the regal Palazzo Pitti, home to the elegant Boboli Gardens. We are now in the internal courtyard that will lead us to the property, which finds itself inside a stunning 15th century palazzo. The property is 900 square meters and is undergoing some renovations, adding a private spa as well as a cinema area. The property also has 2 private parking spaces within the courtyard. But now, without further ado, let's check out the property.
From the external courtyard, we are now in the property's main entrance. The first thing that we notice are these beautiful and stunning frescoes that cover both the walls and the ceilings. The double and large windows on each side of the space allows natural light and gives us access onto the property's private garden. This stunning apartment is 900 square meters and is developed on 1 floor. At the moment, various spaces are being renovated. However, if you'll follow me, let's check out the piano nobile. We are now on the right side of the main entrance, which divides the floor into 2 wings. Here we have this spacious living area, and the stunning frescoes that cover both walls and ceilings continues also here. The frescoes throughout the rooms have bucolic scenes. Other than the frescoes, the room boasts this beautiful marble fireplace, and we have a triple exposure and access onto the private garden. The elegance and original beauty that this property has to offer is simply amazing. Adjacent to the living area is this elegant study. Along the walls, we have frescoes that portray bucolic scenes, bringing the outdoor indoor. It feels as if we were in nature. The study has a double exposure and access onto the private garden, and the whole level of the apartment has beautiful cotto floors. We are now back into the main entrance, and as mentioned previously, we have access onto the property's private garden. So if you follow me, let's check it out. The property's private garden is 1,000 square meters and is embellished by statues and fountains. This is the ideal spot, a true oasis of peace to enjoy relaxing moments in the privacy of your own home. And having a garden this large in the center of Florence is true luxury. We are now going to head towards the left wing of the property. This next room is under renovation, but I wanted to mention it because it has the most beautiful frescoes on the ceilings. Most of the frescoes throughout the property can be attributed to two of the most relevant artists at the time, which are Giorgio Vasari and Piero di Cosimo. Continuing along the space, we have this majestic library. I mean, just look at this customized bookshelf that wraps around the space. This is a true example of craftsmanship. An interesting fact of this room are the frescoes on the ceiling. If we look up, we see that differently from the other rooms, there are references to Egypt, such as the Sphinx that framed the bust and the container vases in the corners. The room is completed by this large desk that looks onto the French windows that lead us to the garden. From the library, we can access the master bedroom on the floor. The bedroom area features 4 queen-size bedrooms with ensuite bathroom. But right now, we are in the master bedroom that transmits its power. If we look at the detail of the frescoes compared to the rest of the rooms, it is absolutely amazing. In fact, if we look up, we have columns and an opening that shows the sky. The master bedroom features this first spacious, cozy lounge area that flows straight into the actual bedroom. The master suite has access onto the garden, has its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. We are now on the mezzanine floor, where the master bedroom's walk-in closet opens up. This is an amazing space. It is developed on 2 levels, and the style changes completely in respect to the rest of the house. Here we have wooden floors and wooden boiserie that surrounds the space, and red carpets that line the stairs. All these features give it such a warm and welcoming ambiance. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this elegant apartment for sale in Florence. On that note, ciao!